Okay, this one should go.
Morphle! Morph into a logging machine. Cut that tree, Morphle.
Morphle like to cut the trees.
Yesterday's big storm pulled out many trees. If trees aren't rooted properly, they can just fall down all of a sudden. And that can be very dangerous.
Morphle loves cutting down trees. Oh no! Look!
Tumbling test tubes.
Are you okay, Professor Rashid?
This is my latest invention. Everything I zap with it becomes very big or very small.
Ah, great!
Morphle cut the tree.
Oh no! Morphle, stop! Oh, Morphle, stop! Those trees don't have to be cut!
Oh no! Morphe cut way too many trees! My beautiful forest is gone! Where are the forest animals going to live now? It will take years for these trees to grow back.
Morphle, sorry.
Wait! I have an idea! Professor Rashid, can we borrow your invention? Do you want to come trick-or-treat with us, Phoebe? I'm sorry, guys, but my mom never lets me trick-or-treat.
Come on, dear.
Oh, well. Too bad. Let's go, Morphle.
I'm sorry, Phoebe, but you're a witch. And you know what happens to witches when the sun sets on Halloween.
All witches become evil. Yeah, right. Who even believes that old story? Bye-bye, and thank you. Wow! Look at all this candy. Too bad Phoebe couldn't come with us. Wow, Morphle, that was a really great costume, don't you think?
Morphle and more scary.
Huh?
Costume?
No, those can't be costumes. Oh, no! We need to find out what's going on, Morphle. Morph into a giant spider and follow the candy. Oh no! What happened here?
Candy.
After them, Morphle. Phoebe? Are you okay? Ha! I'm more than okay. I haven't taken my sleeping potion, and now Halloween's night has made me evil. And I can do anything I want. Scare them away, candy monster. Ha! That won't scare us. Morphle, morph into a giant, scary skeleton. Maybe a zombie would scare it, Morphle. Oh, I know what would scare a big pile of unhealthy candy. Morphle, morph into a giant, frightening piece of broccoli. Flapping bat wings. It's too healthy for my poor candy monster. Get some sleep, dear Phoebe. No, no! Shoo! Shoo!
Who could that be?
Hey, Phoebe, do you want to help us deliver this candy to the other children?
Did you collect more candy than you could eat yourselves last night?
Sort of.
Well, I think it's very nice that you want to share it with the rest of the children.
Thank you, Mila.
There's a crocodile in my apples! Oh, no! A shark!
You get the award for...
Let's water this beautiful garden of ours, Sparky. Wait a second. This isn't a garden hose. It's a... snake! We are now the scary animal bandits. We steal scary animals and release them in the city.
But Stein, I thought we were...
Shh! Release the tiger!
Help! Oh, no! We need to help them, Morphle. Morphle?
Morphle no can help. Tiger scary.
The tiger is scary for me too, Morphle. It is very dangerous. But you don't need to be afraid of the tiger because you can morph into something big. So the tiger is scared of you instead. Yeah! I know just what would scare a tiger. Look! A big T-Rex!
Morphle still scared.
Of course, but But you should still do it, because if you do something a lot, you won't be scared anymore. Yay! Now let's scare all the other animals out of the city.
These scary animals are making sure everyone in the city stays inside so that we can execute our real plan.
Yeah, we are actually the fruit bandits.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So if we eat all the fruit in the city, we don't ever have to go to the doctor again.
Ooh, and the doctor is really scary. Ooh.
We need to stop them. Morph into a big crocodile.
A big, dangerous crocodile!
Bandits, you don't need to steal all that fruit. I used to be scared of the doctor, but I went anyway. And now, I'm not scared of the doctor at all. Because if you do something a lot, you won't be scared anymore.
Really?
Hello, there you are. Please follow me inside. He is not scary at all, Stein.
With Professor Rashid's time machine, we are unstoppable.
We have to stop them, Morphle. Morph into a dinosaur superhero. There! Now you can't do any more damage.
No, wait! This is not how it's supposed to happen! Great work, Mila and Morphle. Let's get them all together so I can zap them back into prehistoric times.
Quickly, pick up the Triceratops, Morphle.
I think you forgot one dinosaur.
Oh no! Morphle!
Quick, to the lab. We need to find out where he went.
There he is!
Tumbling test tubes. Hang on, Morphle. That should do it.
I'm so glad you're okay. Hello! Today, Morphle and I will show you different colors. There are several basic colors. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and pink. Morphle, morph into a paintbrush. Now let's paint animals that have these colors. Red is the color of a crab and a ladybug. And yellow is the color of a little chick. Or a dangerous leopard. A blue animal is a whale. And there are blue butterflies.
Like a butterfly.
Turtles are green. And frogs are green as well. A goldfish is orange. And a tiger has orange fur. And pink is the color of a flamingo. And of the axolotl. You are really good at painting, Morphle.
Ice cream!
Well, it's a good thing we went by car. It's chilly outside today.
Daddy, what's going on? Are we shrinking?
No, the car is growing. I can't reach the steering wheel anymore.
Quickly, Morphle, morph into a plane. Morphle, you have to put it to a stop. Morph into a giant car yourself.
Hey, what's happening to my car?
Uh-oh. Looks like we're not done yet. You're going to be just fine, Phoebe. Drink some tea and keep warm. Your cold will be over in a couple of days.
What?
Out of the way, everybody! Everybody, out of the way!
Oh, no! It's heading for the water! Whoa, whoa.
Oh no, my truck.
Quickly, Morphle, morph into a giant tow truck.
Oh, thank you, Morphle. Ah, you've saved my ice cream.
Hi, Mila. What are you all doing here? And why is that car so big?
I'm afraid you did that, Phoebe. Every time you sneeze, you used your magic.
Oh, no. But no worries. Nothing bad happened. Let's go zap everything back to normal. Morphle, morph into a rocket.
Wait a minute. I think everybody could use a treat after this adventure. And I have a lot of ice cream. Ah! Morphle, would you get it for me?
Morphle, morph into a giant digger. Morphle, morph into a crane.
What a great idea to surprise Princess Leela and Sir Father with a castle.
Yeah, that way they'll have a place to stay when they visit.
And with Morphle and Professor Rashid's life ray, we'll be done in no time. Whoops, they ran out of stones.
Morphle, morph into a dump truck.
See you in a bit, fellas. We need those blocks, Morphle.
Oh, I can't wait to see the look on Princess Leela's face when we surprise them with the whole castle.
It's going to be the best castle they have ever seen. There he is! Your crane took a statue from my garden and my bus. They took stuff from everybody. Oh, boy.
We need to get to the castle fast, Morphle.
I want that statue back! Oh, no. Guys, you were supposed to wait until we got back. We need to give all this stuff back to people.
Morphle, morph into a wrecking ball.
A castle? In this modern time?
Surprise!
Yes, we built it for you guys. Wow, we missed having a castle so much.
Well, I'm sorry, Sir Father and Princess Leela. We have to take it down. A lot of people's stuff got mixed up in there, and they need it back.
Oh. Have been so nice to have a castle.
Don't worry, we have plenty of material to build you a new one.
Wow! This castle is even better!
I can see my house from here. I could see if you're home, so we can play together.
Glad to see everybody's happy. I want that statue back!
Don't worry, madam. I'll have your car fixed in no time. Wait a second. I left my tools at the garage. I'm always so forgetful.
Oh, my.
But don't worry. I'll tow you there.
Great! Wait! You forgot to tow me!
Mr. Action! Mr. Action!
Can I play with your Mr. Action figure too, Morphle? Woo! Wee!
Mila, Morphle, come take a look at this new magic pet.
Wow! What's its magic power, Daddy?
I'll show you. Shelly Pete, put everything on this counter into your shell. Oops! No, Shelly Pete, that's Morphle. Put everything back again.
Are you okay, Morphle?
Yeah.
Phew, that's hard work.
I think Shelly Pete is a great magic pet, Daddy. Huh? But where did it go?
Mr. Action!
Oh no! I think Shelly Pete took Morphle's Mr. Action figure.
Mr. Action, the car! Morphle, Mr. Action!
Don't worry, Morphle. We'll get it back. Morph into a search dog.
Hey, Mila and Morphle, have you seen my electric screwdriver? It was right here.
Oh, no! Shelly Pete must have taken it. Follow Shelly Pete's trail, Morphle.
Huh? Huh? Who stole my hammer?
It sounds like Shelly Pete has been here, too.
Ah, Mila, Morphle, I seem to have misplaced my wrench. Have you seen it?
We're on the case, Professor Rashid.
Hey! Mechanic Joe, can you help me?
Sure. First, I would need an electric screwdriver. Hello there. Ah, an electric screwdriver. Just what I needed. Thank you. Now I need a wrench. You have a wrench as well? Great! Now I only need a hammer. You wouldn't happen to... You have? Wow! All done. I wouldn't have been able to fix the bus without your help. You are the best magic pet ever.
There you are, Shelly Pete. And you have the Mr. Action figure. Did you take those other things from people without asking as well?
That's not good, Shelly Pete. You should never take things from people without asking first.
Mr. Action!
Great! Now let's give back everything else you took.
Ah, there is the wrench. Thank you. Now we can get your other leg fixed, car robot. Wonder where that hammer is. It couldn't have just walked away. So you guys had my hammer. Kids these days, always taking whatever they want.
You're back. Ah, there they are. Thank you.
You know, Shelly Pete, if you will be my magic pet from now on, you can hold all my tools for me, so I won't forget them anymore. Yes, Shelly Pete, you can take that hammer.
I think you and Shelly Pete will be a great team, Mechanic Joe.
Yeah, there's no better magic pet for a forgetful mechanic like myself. Come to think of it, I feel like I forgot something else as well. What was it?
It's always the same with those mechanics. They just leave you in the middle of no...